how to create an account on Tinder without using your original phone number. So if you want to create an account on Tinder without using your original phone number, then first open up your Tinder application. Once you open up your Tinder, now you'll get this kind of interface where you can simply go with the sign in page. Once you enter the sign in or the sign up page here, you'll get this kind of interface where it will ask you the mobile number, right? So if you don't want to use your original phone number, then let me tell you one thing, that you don't have any other option instead of entering your phone number. If you don't want to enter your phone number and if you want to create an account on Tinder, then it's not possible. But if you don't want to use your original phone number, there is a way. What you need to do is just open up your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with. Go with search. Under search, you need to search for temporary phone numbers. Once you search for temporary phone number, now you just need to simply go with the free temporary phone numbers. Here you will get a lot of websites. You can simply go with any website that you are comfortable with. So for example, I'm choosing a website, and here if you scroll down, you'll get a lot of countries, regions. So you can simply choose any region that you're comfortable with. Once you tap on it, here you'll get a lot of numbers. So you just need to simply copy this number, like tap on it, and you'll get this kind of interface from where you can simply go and copy the number. Once you've copied the number, you need to go back to your Tinder and then you need to paste the number. Once you paste the number, go with send code, and the message will arrive right here in this page after 6 to 7 seconds. You just need to simply copy the code and paste the code right there, and in this way you'll be able to create your Tinder account with a temporary phone number. But if this phone number doesn't work, then you can simply go with try another number, which will be on the middle of your screen. So that's how you can create an account on Tinder without using your original phone number. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.